Thanks for tuning in again. Now watch this cool process of how I made this. Okay, now say that you're here. I'll make a tutorial on how I made this text FX. But for now, say we're at this point in the project. You're going to select your text, contract to the size of your stroke. Mine was 15, then create different gradients with your stroke. Now watch this cool process of how I made this 80s chrome effect. You layer all your frames, and as you can see, it sort of moves around when I keep hiding each layer one after the other. You export all your frames into CapCut. Line them up. I usually cut them down from 0.9 down to 5 for some reason. Now, you have a little motion going on there. Export, and 2. I need a fucking light. With that video, you want to make a speed ramp. Until you have something like this, after that speed ramp, duplicate, 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 and duplicate more. Now these are effects you're going to need. Edge glow, star, soft, low quality, nostalgic light, and Betamax, sauce. Oh, you might even add some TV lines.
Hit export.
And there you go. You're done. If you enjoyed this video, drop a